Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a simple one-pan dish that my husband absolutely loves. In a large bowl, mix 10.5 ounces or 300 grams of ground chicken, half a cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of onion powder, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried dill, a quarter cup of milk. Grate some Parmesan cheese. And also crush 2 garlic cloves. Mix all the ingredients together well. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan. Next, roll the ground meat into small balls and place them in the skillet. Just to clarify, the skillet should be heated over medium heat. Brown the meatballs on all sides until they are golden brown. Guys, what is your favorite way to cook meatballs? Share your tips and recipes in the comments below. When the meatballs are cooked, transfer them to a plate. Then cover them with foil to keep them warm. In the same skillet, add a quarter cup of sun-dried tomatoes and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Next, mince 2 large garlic cloves. How do you prefer to prepare garlic? Do you mince it, crush it, or chop it? Let us know in the comments what method you use. Add the minced garlic to the pan as well. Add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and if desired, a pinch of red pepper flakes. Toast tomatoes, tomato paste, and seasonings to wake up the flavors. Pour 4 cups or 1 liter of low-sodium chicken broth into the pan. Turn up the heat to bring the broth to a boil. Pour in 2/3 cup of whipping cream. Stir gently and bring to a boil. Add 1½ cups or 270 grams of dry orzo pasta. Friends, if you think your friends and family would enjoy this video, feel free to share it with them. Place the meatballs on top, cover with a lid, and simmer over medium heat for 10 minutes, or until the orzo is al dente. It might look a bit soupy at first, but it will thicken quickly. Meanwhile, grate 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. When the pasta is cooked, add the spinach, gently stir it in, cover the pan, and let it sit for just a couple of minutes until the spinach wilts. My husband absolutely loves Tuscan chicken meatballs and orzo made in one pan. The dish turns out incredibly hearty and flavorful. If you like the recipe, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Share your results in the comments and see you in the next video.